The best kayak coolers are built to fit limited space availability while also being rugged enough for an outdoor adventure. Whether you're on a low-key outing on your kayak over a serene body of water, or you plan to fish straight from your yak, the right cooler for kayaking will be adaptable to its surroundings. Cooler bags and soft-sided coolers are of course great options, as well as cooler floats, but you may be surprised to find an ice chest or two that doesn't take up a ton of space and would fit snugly in your kayak. We've researched and discovered 6 top-rated kayak coolers, as well as the 2 worst to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 6 best kayak coolers, plus the 2 worst to avoid. Coming in at number 1, YETI Hopper 30 Portable Cooler. The best YETI cooler for a kayak is the YETI Hopper 30 Portable Cooler. This cooler is a favorite among avid YETI cooler customers and comes with many great features that make it an ideal solution as compared to some of the alternative options available. This cooler comes in a variety of different colors and is made from top quality materials, along with a unique stitch to offer a 100% leak-proof design. The cooler bag is also waterproof, ensuring everything on the inside stays cool and safe even when the cooler falls into a body of water. The YETI Hopper 30 Portable Cooler comes with the brand's dry hide shell design, which provides a more durable performance even in tough situations. This ensures the cooler bag will last for a very long time before needing to be replaced. Overall, this is the best kayak cooler on the market. Coming in at number 2, Engel Cooler's HD30 100% waterproof soft-sided cooler bag. Another great option and one of the best kayak cooler bags if you are looking for a good balance between value and price. The Engel Cooler's HD30 100% waterproof soft-sided cooler bag features a soft material design along with the unique features such as a specifically designed zipper to ensure water is kept on the outside of the bag. The cooler bag is also leak-proof, which means any spills on the inside will not leak out. The Engel Cooler's HD30 waterproof soft-sided cooler bag is made from a rugged TPU material to ensure durability. The vacuum valve technology used for sealing the bag also provides for a more effective waterproofing, as well as ensures that the items held on the inside of the cooler bag can be kept cold and for up to 4.5 days. Coming in at number 3, Engel USA Cooler Dry Box. Looking for a solution for storing your fish without going back to land every 30 minutes? Then opt for the Engel USA Cooler Dry Box, which is definitely the best kayak fish bag cooler that you'll find at this price. This cooler bag features a hardcover design that is fully waterproof. Internal contents of the cooler can be kept cold for several days without having to worry about melting or leaking ice cooler box. The box has an internal space of 19 quarts, which also means several fish can be stored securely on the inside. The Engel USA Cooler Dry Box comes in a variety of colors. These colors include white, grassland, and tan. For those who wish to use the cooler box specifically for kayak fishing, an alternative version of this cooler box is also available that comes with 4 rod holders, 2 on each side of the box. Looking to learn more about the best kayak coolers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Fatboy Backpack Soft Cooler. We found the Fatboy Backpack Soft Cooler to be the best kayak cooler float that you can buy right now. This cooler bag features a soft-sided design that's made from heavy-duty, high-quality materials to offer you a more durable solution to keeping your drinks and food cold when you're on your kayak. This option also satisfies the need for a floating cooler for outdoor kayaking excursions, in the case where space is of particular concern with a smaller kayak. The Fatboy Backpack Soft Cooler is extremely easy to carry around due to its backpack design. The cooler bag features an IP66 Level 3 certification, which means its waterproof features allow the bag to be submerged underwater without the risk of water leaking into the bag. A burping value has also been added to allow for increasing or reducing air inside of the cooler bag. Coming in at number 5, TOURIT 20 cans leak-proof soft pack cooler. The best cooler for kayak fishing that provides an all-inclusive set of features would be the TOURIT 20 cans leak-proof soft pack cooler. This option provides a good balance between everything. It comes at a decent price, provides a high-quality durable design, is made from top-quality materials, and has an internal insulation system that keeps all content within the bag cool for as much as 3 days in total. The insulation system has been designed with 3 separate layers for maximum performance. In addition to the cooler bag being waterproof, the zipper technology along with the internal layers and the stitching work ensures a 100% leak-free performance. An antimicrobial coated internal layer also helps to prevent the buildup of mildew, mold, and other dreadful microorganisms. Coming in at number 6, Mountainsmith, the 6 soft-sided cooler. The Mountainsmith 6 soft-sided cooler is the best small cooler for kayaking, providing a portable way to keep your drinks ice cold while also providing enough space to ensure you can keep your lunch or snacks fresh. The cooler bag is made from a special type of material known as 150D baby ripstop poly. It can hold up to 6 bottles of beverages or sodas and features a built-in bottle opener for your convenience. This cooler bag provides a PVA waterproof sealing lining, making it virtually impossible for water to enter the bag or for internal contents to leak out of the bag. A special barrel top zipper further improves on the fact that the bag is leak-proof and waterproof. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kayak cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com kayak coolers to avoid. Arctic Zone Eco Blend 45 can freezer tote. While cheap and seemingly packed with some useful features, we did find the Arctic Zone Eco Blend 45 can freezer tote to be the worst kayak cooler available. There are features of this cooler bag that is beneficial, but we do not consider this an appropriate option for a day out on the water. The lining of this cooler ensures internal content will not leak outward, and the design also provides a basic level of protection against water. Dropping the bag into the water will not, however, guarantee the safety of the internal contents. The Arctic Zone Eco Blend 45 can freezer tote is also not an ideal option for a multiple day trip. The insulation and overall design are only able to keep up the inside items, be it fish, food, or beverages, cold for a couple of hours, not for several days like other of the best kayak coolers in this review. And the next kayak cooler to avoid, Sock Gear ShillSak Soft Cooler Bag. The Sock Gear ShillSak Soft Cooler Bag is a multiple function cooler bag that is not only ideal for keeping your drinks and canned beverages cold while you're out on the water, but also for keeping food cold, ensuring you have ice on hand, and even for keeping fish cold should you be into fishing while out on your kayak. While this is not one of the cheaper options on the market, the Sock Gear ShillSak Soft Cooler Bag is made from premium quality materials to ensure you get a more durable cooler bag to last you for several years. This cooler bag is airtight and contains special insulation on the inside to keep things cool. It also features a waterproof design and has an adequate internal space of up to 24 cans. An additional slip pocket makes it easy to store smaller items that you also wish to take with you. With all the positives stated, the only reason is you should to avoid this is because it's become increasingly more difficult to find it for sale on the market. It appears as though the manufacturer may have discontinued it, and you're better off with other options. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on buying the best kayak cooler. Kayaking is fun and a relaxing activity, but being out in the open water for the entire day calls for cold beverages and food to be served on demand, as well as for storage of any fish or other meats that you will bring with you from the trip. If you're planning to fish, then you need a way to keep your fish cold and not out in the sun. Buying the best cooler for kayak outings will ensure all of your needs for cold storage are met while you're out on the water, with no need to go back to land frequently to store away your catch, stock up on food and other items. Looking to learn more about the best kayak coolers in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite kayak cooler. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.